This is a simple alarm system that I made 40 years ago. As you can see, there are very few parts. It's just got a transformer that converts 120 volts to 12 volts. I've just got it hooked up to this. This is like for a battery backup. This clip lead represents the fence wire. So you can see and you'll hear what happens when I disconnect. If the fence wire gets broken or a gate gets open that's protected, you'll see what happens when the wire breaks. Now you see what happened. The alarm goes off, okay? Once this wire is broken, the alarm goes off, and then I've got a reset. I just put a little LED on it so you could tell that you're getting power. And then this is a little momentary push button. That's the reset. That's the reset button. So if the alarm goes off, you can reset it. But I'll demonstrate once again. This wire could be, it's not critical. It could be most any gauge, preferably like this is like 14 gauge, but the smaller the better because it would be easier to break. But I'll just disconnect it once again and show, the wire breaks. The reason I showed it the second time is even if they disconnect the wire, and even if they had sense enough to connect it back, doesn't matter. It's going to go off. So they disconnect the wire, they cut the wire somehow when they're cutting the fence, and the alarm goes off. And it's going to continue to go off until you reset it. It's as simple as that. There's nothing to it. There are very few parts. And I've just got it hooked up to this 12-volt horn. You could hook it up to anything you want. And as I say, I'd be glad to supply a schematic for it. But anyway, I just wanted to demonstrate how it works. It's a very simple system, and it gives very good protection. This could easily be hooked up to something like a motion detector, any kind of magnetic switch. I have those throughout my garage. I'll just show one more time. I mean, this is a very loud horn, but I mean, you can get them basically as loud as you want. You have to reset it. It's just that simple.